Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare a meal with just a few simple ingredients I had on hand. I was out of pasta, so I'm going to use some instant brown rice. You will need one chicken breast, a jar of Alfredo sauce, onion, bell pepper, garlic, water, and some seasonings. Go ahead and prepare the rice according to the instructions on the box, but add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning to the rice. Let it cook and set it aside. Now let's get started with the rest of the meal. We're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Next I'm going to add in the chopped red onion. That's a half of a red onion and 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper. So we'll saute this. Get this all broken up. Okay. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. 1 cut up chicken breast. And I have a mixture of seasonings here. I have 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Just going to add that. Then we're just going to cook this until the chicken turns white, a white opaque color, and it's done. That looks like a lot of seasoning, but it really isn't, especially when we add the sauce. Did I mention that I'm making this up as I go along? So right now we have 1 cut up chicken breast, sauteing in some olive oil with some bell pepper and onion and garlic and some Italian seasoning. I'm going to turn my eye down to medium low. The chicken is pretty much almost cooked all the way. Next, I'm going to add 1 jar of Alfredo sauce. Added just a little bit of water to this jar of sauce because I want to get every bit of this out. then we're going to let this just simmer over a medium to low heat. Get it all stirred up. I'm just mixing it very well. It smells really good. Some of it's still a little thick. You can thin this out with water or milk, and I've added a little water. Okay, we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and come back and serve it over a bed of rice. Okay, this has been simmering for about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm just going to give it a stir. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit more of water, maybe a 1/4 cup or a 1/4 cup of milk. And then we're going to serve this over a bed of brown instant rice that I cooked. Doesn't that look delicious? You can also serve this over noodles, spaghetti noodles, obviously Alfredo or linguine noodles. But today we're having it over brown rice. Okay, our rice is done. We have some instant brown rice. Well, I've added about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. We're just going to put that there. And we're going to add some of our Alfredo sauce with chicken and onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Preparing meals can be very easy. All it takes is one meal at a time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.